While festive shoppers continue to throng markets in the capital, the Kejriwal government has imposed a complete cracker ban in Delhi, a move that's taken away the cheer, in a sense, from traders and from shoppers. Wholesalers of crackers, particularly in markets like the very famous Sadar Bazaar, say that there's no Diwali without crackers for them.
This Diwali, Delhi's skyline will not be the same as every year. The Aam Aadmi Party government has imposed a total ban on the sale of firecrackers. The Sadar Bazaar, a wholesale market for firecrackers, now only sports a handful of shops selling pop guns and matches bombs. The ban has left traders as well as shoppers in the national capital sulking.
दिवाली का मतलब पटाखे ही होता है। हम भी छोटे होते थे तो हम भी पटाखे ही करते थे मैम। और आज की जनरेशन है बम पटाखे, बच्चों को क्या पता फिर। बच्चों के उदास चेहरे देखो कैसे हैं मैम। फेस्टिवल पे भी बच्चे उदास।
The traders claim they have suffered huge losses.
More than 13 lakh people are attached with this industry in the whole India. The Shivakasi is feeling very bad. More than 1100 industries are working in Shivakasi. People who are attached with paper industry, with transport industry and with other small and micro industries, they all are ruined.
पिछले साल हमारे को 20 दिन का लाइसेंस मिला था, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, 12 दिन का लाइसेंस देके और 8 दिन का जिनको बैन कर दिया। वो जो माल हमारा बचा हुआ था, आज भी वो मैगजीन के अंदर पड़ा हुआ माल जो है, और अब जो नया माल हमने खरीदा है वो मई और जून का खरीदा हुआ है, वो सारा हमारा मैगजीन के अंदर पड़ा हुआ है।
The decision to ban firecrackers was taken amid deteriorating air quality in the city. Firecracker manufacturers and traders had approached the High Court challenging the decision. The High Court bench upheld the government's decision.
The only crackers in the market are these small pop guns and ring pops that are for children to use. And a sea of disappointed faces here at the Sadar Bazaar as people ask around if any crackers are available. All crackers, including green crackers, have been banned this year in Delhi, leading to a muted Diwali even as the air quality index is rapidly deteriorating.
While Delhi has banned firecrackers altogether, their sale continues in other states. For instance, in Rajasthan, where only green crackers are allowed, shopkeepers in Jaipur were seen selling all types of firecrackers.
इंडिया में 785 फैक्ट्रियां हैं जो नीरी के हिसाब से फटाके बनाती है। उन फैक्ट्रियों के लिए बारकोड जो है सन 2020 में अनिवार्य किया गया है। 2017 से ही वो ग्रीन फटाके बना रहे हैं। उनकी मैं लिस्ट आपको अप्रूव करा रहा हूँ। जो भी अभी हमारी दुकान पे माल बिक रहा है, जिन कंपनियों का है, वो 785 कंपनियां नीरी द्वारा अप्रूव्ड कंपनियां हैं।
Across various firecracker shops in Pink City, customers are being sold firecrackers in packets which do not have barcodes, and the consumers do not even know whether what they are purchasing are actually green firecrackers or not. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.